Y'all, I messed up the camera angle in this video, but I swear I dropped some gems in this video. Y'all don't want to miss it. So just watch the video. Camera angle messed up, but you know what I'm saying? It's all good. To grab your popcorn and grab your food, grab your drinks, you know what I'm saying? Just enjoy the video. You know what I'm saying? It was a great psychology video. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be talking about the psychology you need to trade smart money concepts. Now, I don't have like any pen or paper. I'm gonna just go off the dome with this one because I'm feeling real passionate right now. And it's like, I've been going through a phase in my trading where it's like I've been growing so much and I've been getting so much better and getting so much discipline. It's like, why not share some knowledge, you know what I'm saying, to the community, everything like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, I just want to start off like the psychology you need to trade smart money concepts is not like the psychology you need to trade any other model. You know what I'm saying? In my opinion, smart money concept psychology is probably the most like disciplined, most precise type of psychology that I can think of. And I'm gonna explain to you why. I'm not gonna just say that and not explain to you why. And I say that because a few reasons, bro. Like real smart money concepts is let me first give you the example between the fake smart money concepts you see on the internet versus real smart money concepts. So in my trading, I have realized through years and years and years of trial and error, because I have been trading smart money concepts for about 4 years now, I have noticed that real smart money concepts is really precise, low frequency, just straight sniper precision. You going for a certain target, you getting out the market, you hitting your targets, you getting out the market, and it's real low frequency, but super precise. And when you do have those trades, they go off. And real smart money concepts is high risk to reward and high win rate at the same time. A lot of people say that you can't have a high win rate and a high risk to reward at the same time. I really beg to differ, bro. I trade smart money concepts the right way, and the way that I trade smart money concepts, I have seen in my own trading that it is super possible to have a high win rate and a high risk reward strategy. The thing is, people don't have the components you need to build a model to have that high win rate and high risk reward. So on the psychology aspect, oh yeah, let me say the difference first. The difference is, like, I was getting off track a little bit. So like the inversion, I see a lot of online, not to call anybody out, but the inversion traders, the inversion fair value gap traders that go break even, right? That go for like 1-on-1 risk to reward. It didn't call that smart money. That's not really smart money to me. And the way that I'm aiming at this in the psychology aspect is because with smart money, you have to be super disciplined, and you have to, it's not about guessing and saying, oh, if it comes to this spot, I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even because it may come back. Smart money is about precise, bro. I'm saying you're right about 90%, at least 80% of the time you're right. You know what I'm saying? So when you trade these setups, you have to be super patient. Like I only take about 1 to 2 setups per week. Only about 1 to 2. Sometimes my trade setup do give like 3 setups, but often the third setup that it gives is not the cleanest one. It may still work, but it's not the cleanest. So you have to have a super patient mindset in order to trade real smart money concepts, because the trades are not going to be there every single day. Think about it. The market is not here to be on your side. The market is actually trying to extract money from you. The market is there to take money from you. It's not trying to be your friend at all. Now, the people who get lucky on the good side of the market do make money from it, but we all know 90%, 99% of traders lose money. And it's a reason for that. The market is not on your side. So if the market is not on your side, what make you think that they're going to give out the best setups 5 days out the week? They're not going to give the best setups 5 days out the week, but they may do it 1 to 2 good times out the week. Did you think about that? They might do it 1 to 2 good times out the week. And your job as a smart money trader is to be able to be patient and be disciplined and wait for that model to form so you can catch that long price run and then get out the market. All you need is one good trade. All you need is one good trade. Sometimes I go for two. Most of the time I take one. Sometimes, like this week, I took 2 trades. I made 13% in 1 week. About 14% in 1 week, honestly. 14% in 1 week. And that's real smart money trading because it's so precise that it allows you to capture so much upside. But you have to do the work and be patient in order to wait for those setups and not take the 1-to-1s and the 1-to-2 risk to rewards and the small short-term trades in between those. Your job as a smart money trader is to go in and catch the big shark. That's your job, is to go in and catch the big shark. So the psychology that you need to only go in and try to capture 1 to 2 good moves a week is another problem. Most traders don't have the psychology to go in and trade only one time out the week. Some weeks I literally go in and take one execution, one trade that whole week. People say, how do you do it? How do you do it? Bro, I just caught a big shark. I don't need to trade for the rest of the week. I take one trade for the rest. I take one trade in a week and make 8%, 6%, 7%, 9%, 10%. Bro, what am I trading for the rest of the week for, bro? To give it up? To make more money that I don't need? I just made, what, 6%? 6% in a week is insane. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, most traders don't have the discipline to sit at a chart and not see their model and not take a trade. And that's the difference between a real smart money trader and a not smart money trader. A real smart money trader could go 4 days looking at the charts, not take a trade because the best setup not there. You know what I'm saying? They can do that. And another thing is like, we have to realize that real, like I said, real smart money is catching big sharks. You could take the base hits. That's cool. But if you're real smart money, you have a model designed to catch a price run, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you have to be super confident. That's number 3 right there. That's the third psychology tip. You have to be super confident being a smart money trader. Because only thing you're doing, going break even too early, getting out of trades early, not letting them hit full TP. The only thing you're doing is killing your own equity curve, bro. You're just killing your own equity curve. You could be making so much more upside, but you don't have enough confidence. Smart money trader is about being a shark. You can't be scared. When it's time, you're a sniper, bro. When it's time to shoot, you shoot. You can't be scared to let prices run 40 points and then let it come back 20 points and then go back up 50 points. Bro, I was in a trade last week that was up 60 points. Came down 30 points. 30 points. A lot of traders would have been like, oh, they would have went break even. It didn't even go back to my entry, but they would have got scared, got out the trade. But it's like, bro, my target haven't been hit yet. I know that they took out this low inside of this discount, so it's super high probability that they're gonna go take out that high. So I'm not getting out before they come take out that high. That's where confidence comes from. You got to be super confident trading smart money concepts because you only get about 1 or 2 chances out the week to catch that trade, bro. That real good one. I'm not talking about the 20-point trades, the 30-point trades, the 40-point trades, the 50-point. I'm not talking about those, bro. 60 and up. I'm talking about 60, 70, 80, 100, all the way up to 200 to 300 points. I just caught a 150-point move last week. So those are the trades I'm talking about. And if you want to catch those trades and not have to sit at the charts every single day looking for a trade, Bro, do you know how exhausting it is to sit at the chart Monday through Friday looking for a trade setup and then having to handle losses and wins all in a week, 5 days out the week? Do you know how exhausting it is? Do you know how unexhausting it is to catch one trade that makes up your whole week when you trade it? I can trade 1 day or 2 days out the week and profit more than somebody who trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on a consistent basis. I could trade 1 day out the week and profit more than somebody who's trading all 5 days because they're handling losses and wins throughout the whole week. The market ain't gonna be on your side every single day. And the traders who actually are profitable don't trade every day. I mean, I'm pretty sure that you hear that. They don't. You know what I'm saying? So it's really about staying patient. You got to be super confident because, like I said, you only get 1 to 2 trades per week. So when that trade do come, you got to make sure you capture your piece of the puzzle, and you got to make sure that it's good to hold you off to the next week. You know what I'm saying? And then again, I'm not saying that catching small trades is bad, like 20-point trade there. That's not bad. But it's not where you want to be if you trading real smart money. That's not where it's at, bro. I'm going to just be honest. You want an average 1 to 3 risk to reward. You don't want a 1 to 2, 1 to 1 risk to reward. You're not doing that over here. And I'm not saying nothing bad about the people who do that. But over here, we don't do that. We want big upside, bro. And there's nothing wrong with that because that's just how I learned. You know what I'm saying? That's just I went through the trial and error to be able to form a model that give me that upside, bro. So I'm gonna praise that. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not gonna take a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Why would I do that, bro? If I built something bigger, you know what I'm saying? So it's really about, bro, you gotta be aggressive, but you gotta stay calm at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Be aggressive, but stay calm at the same time. Be a sniper, be patient, be disciplined, but be fierce. When it's time for you to shoot. When it's time for you to shoot, be fierce. But when it's not time for you to shoot, you know what I'm saying? You chilling. You know what I'm saying? That's the psychology that you need to be a real smart money trader. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I didn't have no pen or paper. This really came from the heart. I really got passion for this. You know what I'm saying? I just opened up a free Discord. I'm gonna be teaching the model that I was just explaining to you guys in this video, the extraction model, in my free Discord. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested in that and you're serious about trading, you can go join the free Discord on my Instagram, Nas Trades, NASZ Trades. And yeah, that's gonna be all for that video. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Yeah.